driving in Jensen's infamous underpass.
Billion peso. Worth billions of pesos.
Right dito. First time. So yung first marker mo before the underpass is yung Shell gas station on the right side. Ito yung marker. Ayun, nakapasok na tayo. This one. We're going down 3 seconds. Oh. Wow. Impressive, oh. What do you think, Hannah, of the underpass?
Amazing.
Mahaba din siya.
Yung top quality materials yan, worth millions of pesos.
Billion.
Almost a billion pesos.
More than a billion.
Finally,
More than a billion pesos.
milestone din ng city ito ba? Ito lumuwag para wala kang sakyan masyadong city. Sabagay, it's a Sunday.
Wow.
Ano yung marker natin sa left nga ng kuhan? We're going sa pickleball. Anong marker yun, Hana?
Okay na, i-pause ka ta?
Diretso mo na. Wala. Continue. Para sa marker din. Going. Saan tayo na? Mag-turn left tayo. Lampas pa, no?
After the bridge.
Before Wilcon. Okay.
Much before Wilcon. Before magpasok din sa sa flower subdivision.
Hanggang sa kuhan ko yan. Sa
Much before.
pagpasok natin.
Just before.
Sige.
So we're going. Ito ba?
Medyo siya. Kung institution na ay
Ano name ng pa na to?
I think here,
Ha?
I think yan.
Ito? This one? This one?
Ano subdivision yun, no?
Indoor dink.
What's the name of the subdivision?
Pickleball courts.
I forgot.
Tayo.
It's like, it's a big... It's a diversion road.
Baka nag-diversion siya.
Hindi, nag-underpass daw sila.
I think the driving lesson si Con siguro.
Nag-underpass sila.
Then bumalik sila.
So they want to pass the underpass. Baka they went several times.
This one on the right side, ito yung improvised na pickleball court. Wala, guess. Ano tayo pala? Ayan, bakante. Pwede pala mag-dalawa.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Okay na?
Yeah.
Camera
Okay, off.
action.